Okay, on this problem we are given this algebraic expression and we need to evaluate it, or basically figure it out, when p equals -2. So I'm going to show you two different ways to do it. So first, let's just go ahead and plug -2 in for p. So we'll just do like -2 squared minus 3 times -2 plus 4. So that's one way to do it. Another way to do it is for p we can do parentheses. So I'm going to have parentheses, so p squared minus 3p plus 4, and then we would put -2 in. So what do you think? Between these two, are we going to get different answers? Well, I can tell you we are, just because of this first term and this first term. So let's look. If we have -2 squared, well, that squared is only attached to the 2. So that means we're just going to have one negative, but the 2 gets multiplied by itself twice. So we'll have -2 times 2, which is -4. Now let's look at -2 squared in parentheses. So this squared is saying I have -2 times -2, because whatever is inside the parentheses is squared on the second one. So this is really like I have -2 times -2 equals 4. Well, in this problem, this -2 is supposed to be in place of p. So for the -2 to be correctly in place of p, it has to be in parentheses. So lesson, do not do it this way. When you're substituting a number into an expression, make sure to do parentheses, because otherwise it's really easy to make this mistake. Okay, so we're going to solve the one in parentheses. So we know -2 squared, just like we showed here, is going to be a +4. -3 times -2 becomes +6, and then +4. 4 plus 6 then is 10, plus 4, I always want to work from left to right, and then 10 plus 4 becomes 14. So the big lesson in this problem is make sure you use parentheses when you're substituting in a number, especially a negative.